Hey everyone, how are you doing? So welcome to another CSS tutorial. We'll be creating this PDF file icon, and this image is inspired from Adobe stock image of this PDF file icon, and I'll show you how easy it is to create also other file icons like these ones. They're pretty much the same, we're just changing the text and also the colors of the labels. So this is what we'll be recreating. So before we start, we also need a font for the label, and if you guys go to Google Fonts and search for Noto Sans, and here we want to select this one, Noto Sans. And there are different styles. We need the medium 500. So we're going to select just this one. And we need to copy this thing. And let me just put it here. So here we'll add these styles. Okay, and we're ready to start. So we're gonna have a container, and let me just create the structure first. So we're gonna have an icon, and we'll create a few different flavors of icons. So the first one will be PDF. So we'll have a div for the corner, one div for the label, and the first one will be a PDF, and we're gonna have 4 divs for the lines. Okay, so this is all that we need. So now we're using this display flex because we have a couple of icons and we want them to appear in the center of the viewport. And later I'll add the other icons. We're just going to work with the PDF icon right now. We want to recreate this design, and then we're going to add the other ones. Let me actually just Okay. Now, in order to create this effect, we're going to use the before pseudo element, and let me show it to you actually. So we're gonna create this div and we're gonna rotate it diagonally, starting from top left, so from this corner. And we actually can add a border radius. Okay, so all we have to do is change this color to the background color. Now the background color of the body is this one. So now if you guys are gonna use this design for on your websites, you need to make sure that whatever the background color is, you need to change it here for the corner before. For example, if your background color is red and you use the blue one, you will see this half circle. So just make sure you're aware of this one. Okay, so let's style the label now. Okay, now to add this effect, this triangle, there are different ways we can do it, and the way I want to do it is using the before and the after. Okay, it's over here, so we need to position it. And what I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna rotate it, so okay. Now this looks fine, but if I scale this icon, let's say transform scale 0.9, you see how it appears on top of the icon. So what I'm gonna do for this label, I'm gonna use the after, and I'm gonna add a white square. I'm sorry, this should be 13. Okay, so here's the circle, and I'm gonna put it over here, so it covers this part that shows. Okay, so now even if we scale it, we're not gonna see that part of the image here. So let me remove it from here. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is add the line styles. We need the position here. Okay, and here we are ready with the PDF icon. Now we can also create other types of icons. So I'm just gonna copy this one. So I'll create six icons. Now the first one will be HTML. I'll have one for CSS, one for JavaScript. We can leave this for the PDF, one for CSV, and another one. What was it? The other one for zip file. And all we need to do is here where we have these ones, we need to create a new ones. So for example, for the HTML, can use whatever colors you want, guys. Let me just quickly add the other ones. And here we have them. So you can use them however you like. If these are too big, you can scale them. So you can select the icon and you can transform it. Scale, so 0.3. I mean, this applies on all icons, but yeah, you can use them, you can scale them, you can rotate them, you can do whatever you like. Well, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.